हेलो एजुकेशनल स्विमर्स। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। इस टॉपिक में हम सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बात करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज scrotum, testis, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, urethra and penis. Now we will discuss all these parts in detail. The first part is scrotum. It is a pair of sac. Pair means two sacs are present. In each, one testis is present. It hangs out of the body below the abdomen. The scrotum is connected with abdomen through inguinal canal. Through this inguinal canal, spermatic cord passes into the scrotum and joins with the testis. The main thing is that the temperature of scrotum remains 2 degrees lower than the body temperature, which helps in the formation of male gametes, which are sperms. This is the detailed diagram of the testis, showing seminiferous tubules, rete testis, epididymis, vasa differentia, and its 3 layers. Now we will discuss about testis and all these things. Testis. It is oval in shape and the primary sex organ because it produces male gametes, which is sperm. So it is known as primary sex organ. Look at this box. Assume this is testis and this is the upper tissue of the testis known as mesochorium, which provides support to the testis while hanging down the abdomen. Like this, a tissue known as gubernaculum is present below the testis, joining the tail part of the testis with the scrotal sac and controls movement of the testis. Starting from the outside of the testis, it is covered by 3 layers. First is tunica vaginalis, it is the outermost covering. Next, tunica albuginea, it is the middle covering, and tunica vasculosa, the inner covering of the testis. These 3 layers provide protection to the testis from any type of damage. After the coverings, when we enters into the testis, we saw that it is divided into many compartments. These compartments are known as testicular lobules. Near about 250 lobules are present in each testis. Now, going inside the compartment, there are 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules are present. Now, discussing about seminiferous tubules, it is a single layered tube. This layer is known as germinal epithelium. In this layer, 2 types of cells are present. First, male cell known as spermatogonia. Spermatogonia is the mother cell of spermatid, which is sperm. Second, Sertoli cell known as nurse cell. It provides nourishment to the growing spermatid. Outside the seminiferous tubules means in between the outer space of seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells are present, also known as interstitial cells. These cells secrete androgens to stimulate the production of sperms. Functions of testes. Number 1. Production of sperms. We have already discussed that male germ cells, known as spermatogonia, present inside the seminiferous tubules, helps in the formation of spermatids. Number 2. Secrete sex hormone. The Leydig cells present outside the seminiferous tubules produce testosterone hormone, which further stimulate the production of sperms. Rete testis. This is a part of testis formed by the network of tubes. All the seminiferous tubules present inside the compartment of testis are closed at one end, but at the other end they are coming out of the compartment and joins to form rete testis. Its function is to increase the sperm concentration before entering into epididymis. Epididymis. It is the next part to rete testis. Take a review here. All the seminiferous tubule join to form rete testis. They pass the sperm cell into it. Then the rete testis pass the concentrated sperm cells into a long coiled tubule known as epididymis, which is present inside the testis. The main function of epididymis is to store the sperms. After epididymis, the vasa differentia comes. It emerges from cauda, which means the tail part of the epididymis. Vasa differentia leaves the scrotal sac and enters into the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal. In the abdomen, vasa differentia joins with the duct coming out of the seminal vesicles to form ejaculatory duct. This seminal vesicles is present near the base of bladder. The main function of vasa differentia is to carry sperms. Urethra. The ejaculatory duct further joins with the duct coming out of the urinary bladder to form urethra. So it forms common path for the flow of urine and sperm. Urethra has three parts. First, prosthetic urethra, which is present near the base of the bladder. Main thing is it is covered by prostate gland, so called as prosthetic urethra. Second is membranous urethra. It is the small portion present behind the penis. Third one is penile urethra. It is the long part and present in the penis, hence called as penile urethra. Penis. It is the last part. It is also known as male genitalia. It is the cylindrical part present outside the body of human male. Its function is to conduct urine out of the body and also transfer the semen into female reproductive tract in order to fertilize the egg. Now it's time for MCQ. Question. If some reason the vasa differentia in the human reproductive system gets blocked, the gametes will not be transported from A. Testis to ejaculatory duct, B. Testis to epididymis, C. Ovary to uterus, D. None of these. Now we know that vasa differentia joins with duct of seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct. So, if vasa differentia gets blocked, then it means the gametes will not transfer from testis to ejaculatory duct. So the right answer is A. Next question is, each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by two types of cells. A. Spermatogonia and follicular cells. B. Spermatocyte and oogonia. C. Spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. D. None of above. Now we know that seminiferous tubules has two types of cells, male germ cells and Sertoli cells. So male germ cells are also known as spermatogonia. So the right answer is C. Spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. Question. The nutritive cells in seminiferous tubules are Leydig cells, follicular cells, Sertoli cells, or spermatogonia. We know that in seminiferous tubules there are two types of cells, male germ cells and Sertoli cells. Male germ cells form spermatid and the Sertoli cells helps in the nourishment of germ cells. So the answer is Sertoli cells. These cells provide nourishment to the growing spermatids. Next question. The part which helps in the movement of testis. A. Mesochorium. B. Cauda epididymis. C. Gubernaculum. D. None. We know that it is gubernaculum, the tissue present on the lower side of testis. Next, temperature of the scrotum is near about A. 37 degrees Celsius, B. 35 degrees Celsius, C. 3 degrees Celsius, D. 2 degrees Celsius. We know that the scrotum temperature is 2 degrees lower than the body temperature. Now the body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So the scrotal sac temperature is 37 degree minus 2 degrees Celsius. It becomes 35 degree Celsius. So B is the right answer. Thank you. The download link of PDF is given in the description.